Can you hear Peppa Pig? And yes, I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore in my last video. The next video you'll see, you'll find out where these shirts are from. Like, you just like thank me later, like unbelievable. We just got back from Billy Bees and we have a million packages on our front step. Hold on, let me move Ben so the sound goes away. Okay, so like you'll understand how excited I am. My breast pump came. So I ordered, okay, so this is the thing. This is the Spectra S2 Plus. I've heard amazing things about it. It's supposed to be great. My last two babies, I pumped with the Medela, like the travel one, worked fine. It actually broke towards the end of my pumping time with my 3-year-old. I'm like out of breath. This is embarrassing. Like, I need to do something. Okay, so anyways, so I just had my doctor's appointment. Today is Tuesday. I just had my doctor's appointment Thursday. I put in all my paperwork to register at the hospital that I'm having the baby at, and my insurance paid for a breast pump, which I've never done before. And I was like, I was like, what is this? Like, what is this package? I'm like, did someone get me something? No, just my booby pump. But I'm excited. I want to open it and see what's wait, on the thing to open it, it says, our pumps don't suck, they suckle. Like, thank you. Okay. And what does this come with? There's a night light, so if I'm pumping at night. And then it looks like this is everything it comes with. It's quiet, there's no black flow. I think this is everything. I think it comes with bottles. I don't know, I'm like weird about opening things. Like, I just need to wait to open it. Like, okay, next up is my Gap order for the boys for back to school. I just got them a couple things. Could you imagine if I did the baby mama dance? Would you unsubscribe? Because I would. Okay, anyways, moving on. No offense to anyone that does the baby mama dance, that just is not my vibe. Okay, so I got the boys the cutest jackets, and Michael's is back ordered. Oh, and so I got the matching jackets. Oh, it's here. It's not back ordered. Oh my God, he's gonna be so excited. You guys are gonna die when you see these jackets. Okay, so his Pottery Barn backpack, I ordered him a new backpack for back to school because his backpack he used at camp last summer, he used all last year, and then camp this year, and it's disgusting. I put it in the washing machine and it's disgusting. Anyways, I got him a new backpack on Pottery Barn, and it's back ordered to like September like 9th or something, and his first day of school is on the 3rd. And they didn't, like, when I did the checkout and like put everything in my cart, like it didn't say that it was gonna be back ordered then. So annoyed, but ready for these jackets. Oh my God, I die. Like, I actually die. My little babies. I love the Gap. Like, their stuff is so nice. Like, look at this. The whole inside is Sherpa. So these are super warm for the boys. And I got, I don't know, I didn't even spend like that much money. And I got $100, like, what is it? Extra buck? Wait, what is extra bucks? Is that CVS? I got $100 Gap cash, I think they call it, off of $250. So if I spend $250, which I like buy a ton of stuff for them at the Gap anyways, I get $100 off in a couple weeks. So this is Michael's. So my babies have matching jackets. Like, how precious do you die? I thought that was back ordered, but I guess not. Clearly not. I can link all of this stuff if you'd like me to, but like I don't have to. And then since my little Benny is going to preschool, like such a big boy, I got him some joggers. Super cute, super comfy, super soft. And then I got them, okay, these like low-key remind me of, what's his name? What was his name? The one that sits in the chair. I got them matching t-shirts. Why is my camera dying? Like, what is my life? Why is my camera dying? Oh my god, I'm sad. Okay, I'm gonna have to go. I got the matching shirts. Wait, I'm sad. I wanted to show all this. Okay, and then I got Benny this vest because Michael already has one just like this from Vineyard Vines. So now Benny has a little Gap one. How cute. It's like all Sherpa. Super cute. And then I just got Benny another pair of stretch pants. Like joggers. Stretch pants. Who calls them that? Okay, my camera's gonna die. I'll be back in a little bit. It's a couple days later. Dude, talk about a hot mess on fire. Like, that is me. Hot mess. Like, what? I put my tanner on this morning and I'm like 5 different colors because I put like, I don't know, I feel like my face always looks kind of like uneven. What, baby? So I put some foundation on, but it's like a different color. Like, I'm just like, just don't mind. First of all, just got my Ebates check. You get one quarterly, and like, it's not a joke. Like, Ebates is not a ripoff. It's like legit. And I downloaded it on my laptop so that you can just like, it will instantly pop up and give you whatever cash back, and they literally send you a check. Mine was only $11 this month, but my last one was like 70 bucks. I think, no, not my last one, my first one. The other one was 40, but my first one was like 70 bucks. I also, I don't know, but 11 bucks just for like shopping, things that I would shop anyways. I also wanted to share. So I got a couple, dude, like I am large and in charge today. Can you even see? Hold on. Hello. Like, I was slow walking around the grocery store just like dying. So I ordered these. I got a Amazon, like what's new? I get an Amazon shipment every day. Mike literally wants to kill me. These little mittens for newborns. I was at Kmart the other day. We did back to school shopping. I think I don't know if that was, whatever. And they only had like ugly little boy ones. Not ugly little boy ones, but they were just like ugly, and they had like dogs on them. So I ordered those. They were like literally $4. And then this, a silk eye mask for the hospital. And just for like my life. Like even like postpartum, just like taking a nap, or just even 3rd trimester right now taking a nap. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my god, that feels amazing. Yes. So that's that. And then I ordered some bows and like a turban thing from Poppy Knots. I started following them on Instagram, and they had a 50% off their whole website, and they're like, it's like a mom like created the brand or whatever, and I just thought it was really, like, they have super cute bows. What is this? Thank you for your order. So it's poppyknots.com, and then that's their Instagram, is just poppyknots. So I got a cheetah print bit pacifier clip. It's fine. Like, I'm fine, guys, don't worry. It's also the full moon tonight, which is fine. And then I got a turban and I got a bow. Let's see how these feel, because the ones I got off Amazon, that like nylon texture was so nice. Oh, these feel wicked nice. Look how cute. I have an idea for like her at the hospital. These are super nice. Okay, I'm highly impressed. And then how cute are these? Like, I just don't know how to be a girl mom. I'm just trying really hard. How cute. So, go check them out. They were having 50% off and these are wicked nice. So I'm happy with the quality. I have to smell everything because I'm gross. Okay, just posted my video with Hillary. I feel like I didn't like go into enough detail about how much I love and adore her. So excited to see her as a mom. I think I know she's gonna be an amazing mother, and I just watched her first trimester. I should have done that because she seriously like hit every nail on the head of just like recommendations and what the first trimester. She was like, your body is flipped upside down and your world is flipped upside down. Sorry if I'm like scaring anyone, but that's legit. I think that the first trimester is the absolute worst trimester. The third obviously just sucks, but like the first trimester, you're not even showing. You can't even tell people you're pregnant. You feel awful and disgusting. You're exhausted and your world truly is flipped like upside down. Oh my God. Okay, I have to go make my egg salad. Does anyone want to see me make my egg salad? Okay, let's go. Okay, so don't mind this mess around me. Do you like my vintage tea from my girl, Saks Thrift Ave? Dropkick Murphys. You what? So I have a bunch of, literally all my egg salad is scallions, chopped up eggs, and mayonnaise. So I did I just say, did I call them deviled eggs before? Because I didn't mean to. So I hard boiled all of these eggs, as you can see. And then I just crack them, cut them, and put them in a Tupperware with mayonnaise and the scallions. And I'll probably cut up, I'm just gonna use the rest. I have a new bundle that I just got at the grocery store. This is the one that I got before. So I'm just gonna throw it all in a Tupperware because I just put it in the fridge, and usually how I'll have it is with on toast in the morning as my breakfast, and it literally fills you up, and it's the most amazing thing. Like, I don't know why I'm obsessed with egg salad, but like it has to be in my fridge. For breakfast, I've been like, I've been switching off between egg salad and oatmeal or granola with almond milk. Okay, and some of these can be so annoying. Aren't you supposed to like roll it? Like, it's just like, come on, like, Jesus, take the wheel and help me. Oh, I'm messing this one up. It's okay. It's all right. I just want to get this done. I've never done this many eggs. I usually do, I usually have been doing 6 eggs, and it lasts me, like 5 days. Oh my God, I just, look at this one. I just totally messed that up. Oh my God. So I'm going to do this, and I'll come back with the final product because I'm like stressing myself out. Okay, bye. So now we have this all together. I've never made this large of a quantity. What, baby? You want to go to McDonald's?
Oh, yeah. On my tablet.
You want to go to McDonald's on your tablet?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ryan's cool.
Oh, Ryan's Toys review?
Yeah, that's nice.
So now you just mix it all.
Mom.
And it's just simply, I'm probably grossing some people out that like rather not eat eggs and mayonnaise, but I'm pregnant, so just leave me alone. And I think that's enough mayonnaise because you don't want to overdo it. Yeah, that's like perfect. So I think that was 9 eggs. And there you have it, people. My delicious egg salad.